Hello everyone and welcome back to RubberStamps.com. Today we're going to be making a birthday card, but before we get into that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more craft content like this one. All of the supplies that we're going to be using in this video will be listed in the comments below. So with that, let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is take just a very small dot of this glue from the tape glue runner and put it onto the back of this white cardstock. Then we're going to stick that down to the glass cutting board that we have so that the card doesn't move while we're using the blending tool with these inks. It's just going to keep it in place and make it a lot easier to blend the inks together. So we're going to be starting with this yellow, and we're just going to make sure the blending tool is fully saturated with ink before we start blending in the upper left hand corner. And now we're going to switch colors and we're going to use this blue. We're going to be starting in the bottom right hand corner and we're going to blend upwards towards the top of the card. And now we're going to switch to this teal color that we have, and we're going to start in the bottom left-hand corner. You can see how all these colors are starting to really blend together and make new colors and a gradient. It looks really pretty. And then we're also going to be using this green, and I think I'm going to just go over where I did the teal because I'm not seeing enough contrast with the teal. So I like the way the green looks a lot better, and then we're just going to finish it off with some yellow. And now we're going to make a pattern using the gift stamps and also the little party hats and confetti poppers. And so what I'm going to be doing is just laying out the pattern and figuring out how I want that to look before I do anything else or put any ink on it. And then this is definitely a pro tip that I like to point out. If you flip all of the stamps face down, then you grab your clear block. You can just press down right where the stamps are and they're going to stick to the clear block. So then you can pick that up and you have all the stamps ready to go in the correct places. It makes it a lot easier. I love using this tip for a lot of things, so definitely try this out. Now we're just going to be using black ink and going to press the pattern onto the card and repeat that process. Now it's time to make the balloons. So we're going to use a black ink for this, and then we're going to stamp that onto plain white cardstock. That's the first step. And the next step is to take this black embossing powder and sprinkle that over the top, shake that off, and use the heat gun to set the embossing powder. And what this does is it's going to give us an easy outline to follow when we're coloring in the balloons. That way the ink isn't going to smear, and it also gives it a little bit of a shine so that at the end you can kind of see just a little bit more dimension with the lines of the balloon versus the colors inside the balloon. And now we're going to be doing the birthday banner. So you definitely want to make sure that you fully saturate this stamp with ink because we're using a black glitter embossing powder, and we just want to make sure that it fully sticks to the ink. So make sure that you are really getting a lot of ink onto this stamp. And then you can sprinkle the glitter embossing powder onto the stamp and then repeat the process with the heat gun with this as well. And now it's time to assemble the card. So we're going to glue this piece of paper down to the backing of the card. And then we're going to be using 3D adhesive dots for the balloons. And there we have it. I think this is just such a fun and festive card for someone's birthday. I love all the colors. I just think it turned out so cute. I also really love the way that the glitter looks on the happy birthday banner. It's a little hard to tell in this video, but the banner is black, but then it has colorful glitter throughout the banner. So I just think that turned out super cute. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Let us know in the comments below if you try it. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more card content like this one. Thanks so much for watching.